एवरीबॉडी। सो आज हम करने वाले हैं हमारा नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज। आज हम करेंगे 3.6 एक्सरसाइज। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 के क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 इसमें लिखा हुआ है फाइंड द हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर ऑफ द फॉलोइंग नंबर्स। कौन से नंबर है? 2, 18 एंड 48। सो लेट्स फाइंड इट आउट। कैसे करेंगे? फाइंड आउट करेंगे। सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आप लोग देख रहे होंगे कि यहाँ पर मैंने लिखा है 18, 48 एंड 9 को हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर। सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मैं बात करूंगा आप लोगों को कि हम लोग फाइंड करेंगे 18 के फैक्टर्स यूजिंग प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन। सो 2 9s are 18। 3 फैक्टर्स मुझे मिल चुके हैं। देन आई विल टेक 48। सो फर्स्ट आई विल डिवाइड बाई 2, 2 into 24, डिवाइड बाई 2 अगेन, 2 into 12, अगेन डिवाइड बाई 2, 2 into 6, अगेन 2 3s are 6 and finally 3 1s are 3. I got all the factors that I need to write here. Factors of 18, 2 into 2 into 3, and factors of 48, 4 times 2, right, and 1 times 3. These all are prime factors. Now common factor is, you can see, 2. Another common factor is, you can see, 3. So our answer is 2 3s are 6. 6 is the highest common factor of 18 and 48. Let's take question number 2. Here we will find for 30 and 42. So we need to find factor of 30 and 42. So let's find it out. So 2 15s are, as it is an even number, 3 5s are, and 5 1s are, it is over. So 2 into 21, 3 into 7, 7 into 1. Is it? Now you need to write factors of 30 here. 2 into 3 into 5, and factor of 42, 2 into 3 into 7. So you can see clearly the 2 and 3, these both are common. So 2 into 3, again the highest common factor is 6. Let's take next example. The question is C 18 and 60. 18 60. So we have already found the factors of 18 in question number 1. 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. 2 3s are, 2 15s are, 3 5s are, and 5 1s are. Write down all the factors. Factors of 18, 2 into 3 into 3, and factors of 60, 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5, right? So 2 is common, so write 2. And what is else? 3. The answer is 6. Continuous 3 times, the answer is 6. Question D 27 and 63. So find out. You can also do with me. 3 9s are, 3 3s are, and 3 1s are. Here 3 into 21, 3 into 7, and 7 into 1. Let me write all the factors. 3 into 3 into 3, and 3 into 3 into 7. So common 3 3 3 3. 3 into 3, 3 3s are 9. So 9 is the highest common factor here. Question number E 36 and 84. Find out 36 and 84. So 2 18s are, simple. 2 9s are, again 18. 3 3s are, and 3 1s are. Here 2 4s are 8 and 2 2s are 4. 2 into 21, again 21 number is there. 3 7s are 21 and 7 1s are 7. Write down factors of 36. 2 into 2 into 3 into 3, and factors of 84. 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. So 2, great. Another 2, great. Third one is 3. So 2 2s are 4, 3s are 12. So 12 is the highest common factor here for these numbers. So our next question is F number, and 34 and 102. So write 34 and 102. Factors of 34, 2 into 17. 17 is a prime number, so 17 1s are 17. Only 2 factors. 2 into 51, and 3 into 17, and 17 ones are 17. So right factors of 34, 2 into 17, and factors of 102, 2 into 3 into 17. So 2, 1 and another is 17. Two common factors, multiply them and it will be 34. So 34 is the highest common factor of these two numbers. Sum number G, 70, 105 and 175. So first number is 70, second number is 105 and third number is 175. 2 into 35. Okay, second number 2, 5 into 7, 7 ones are 7. Here 3 3s are 9 and 3 5s are 15. 35 3s are 105. So 5 7s are 35 and 7 ones are 7. Here you cannot divide it by 3. So let's take 5. 5 3s are 15 and 5 5s are 5 7s are 35. 7 ones are 7. Factors of 70, 2 into 5 into 7. Factors of 105, 3 into 5 into 7. You also write with me, kids. 5 into 5 into 7. I can see this 2 as a common. 5 into 7 equals to 35. This is called highest common factor. Sum number H, 91, 112 and 49. 91, 112 and 49. So 7 set, 13 7s are 91, 13 ones are 13. Here you can divide by 2. 2 5s are and 2 6 are 12. 2 2s are and 2 8s are. 2 14s are. 2 7s are. 7 ones are. 7 7s are 49 and 7 ones are 7. Write all the factors. 7 into 13, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 7 and 7 into 7. Only one common, that is 7. So highest common factor is 7. Easy. Sum number I, 18, 54 and 81. So write 18, 54 and 81. 9 2s are, 2 9s are, 3 3s are and 3 1s are. Again it is 18. Okay. Okay, next number is 54. So 2 into 27, 3 into 9, 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. Okay, 3 2s are 6 and 3 7s are 21. 3 9s are 27. 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. Write down all the factors here. 2 into 3 into 3. 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So I can see 2 3 2 3 2 3. 3 into 3 equals to 9. Highest common factor is 9. Sum number J, 12, 45 and 75. 12, 2 6s are, 2 3s are and 3 1s are. Next 45, 3 15s are, 3 5s are and 5 1s are. Next 75, 3 into 25, 5 into 5, 5 1s are 5. Write out all the factors here. 2 into 2 into 3, 3 into 3 into 5 and 3 into 5 into 5. So 3 is a common. Highest common factor is 3. There is no other common factors. It is a question number 2. We completed highest common factor. So okay, what is the highest common factor of consecutive numbers? If you take two consecutive numbers, what will be the highest common factor? It will be 1. How? Because 2 and 3 both are consecutive numbers and their factor is, highest common factor is 1. Okay, what is the highest common factor of two even numbers? If you take two even numbers like 2 and 4, it will be 2. And two odd numbers, what will be the highest common factor of two odd numbers? That is also consecutive. Example 3 and 5, and their common factor is 1. So here our exercise 3.6 is over. Hope you understood. Now we will meet in 3.7. So thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.
हमारे YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, साथ में बेल आइकन प्रेस कीजिए और लाइक, कमेंट और शेयर कीजिए।